With the modern day vehicle, especially diesels, clogging up DPFs, producing a lot of soot, causing trouble with blocked inlet manifolds and various items like that with EGR valves, we looked into different equipment to rectify this issue and came across FlexFuel. Got them round for a demo, they showed us the machine working and we decided to go with them. It cleans the engine, cleans DPFs, improves fuel economy, improves the vehicle life. So yeah, we chose to go down that line. So far it's still early days, but we're very pleased with the results that we've had, customer feedback, and the results that we've had from using on the different vehicles. It's improved fuel economy, and unblocked a couple of DPFs. Okay, so we're going to carry out an engine carbon clean. This will take approximately an hour. So what we'll do first of all is plug into the inlet side with the machine. So it's a case of slotting the pipe in, pulling the cover back. We'll go and start the engine now. We'll bring the engine revs up to approximately 1500 RPM. We'll set the machine to an hour and then we'll start it. Yeah, we're offering it, ideally it should be done yearly, so we offer a discounted price if you take it on year after year, but at the moment we're running a promotional offer that just to get people using it and see the results and the benefits of the machine. The main benefits is improved fuel economy, so hopefully if you're doing quite a few miles it will pay for itself year on year, and also it's a preventative measure to stop any issues happening in the future. It's pointless waiting for the fault to occur. If you can fix the fault or prevent the fault, then that's the best way forward. Okay, so it's now run through the test for an hour, so we're going to disconnect the machine and take it for a road test. So it's just a repeat process, but just in reverse. Remove the tube, connect it back up to the vehicle and tidy everything up and turn the machine off. And that's it for hopefully another year.